hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. Can we believe I am sat here right now with a box of PR from Lush? I honestly can't quite believe it. I am so eternally grateful. Without you guys, this wouldn't be happening. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and making this possible. Today's video is something really exciting. So I received an email that Lush are bringing back 3 fan favourites. Now these are products which were released years ago, they got discontinued, and I think everyone has been a little bit fuming, myself included, that some of these products were discontinued. So Lush have brought them back and I am so excited to share with you which products are back. I have my box right here, so we are going to dive right in. I am so excited, could you believe? So let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, let's continue. So on the 4th of January 2023, Lush released these 3 products online, and I think they're going into Anchor stores. It was on the 10th of Jan. So they are all available, ready for your purchasing pleasure. I am so excited. I haven't even opened the box yet, so I've been waiting to film this video all week and I am just so excited. So let's open the box together. I feel like this is a really historical moment for my channel, so I'm just really trying to enjoy it. I'm just so excited. But anyway, let's dive in. Okay, so the first item that is back with a vengeance is the ever so famous, the ever so loved Karma Cream. Can we believe she's back? My mum loves this product so much. It is a really lovely, beautiful body lotion, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first started working for Lush, I used to hate the smell of Karma, but now it's so nostalgic, especially because my mum is an avid Karma perfume wearer, and the smell just reminds me of when I used to work at Lush. So it just smells like 2018, 2017. When did I even work for Lush? I can't even remember. Like back in the day. Oh, it's just so delicious and amazing. So ingredients wise in Karma Cream, we have got orange flower water, almond oil, cocoa butter, patchouli oil, orange oil, lavender oil, not too sure what that is, fir needle oil, lemongrass oil. It is just full of so many beautiful smells. I just cannot even describe it. It just smells like a Lush shop, but not, if that makes sense, because it doesn't smell like 29 High Street. It just smells, it smells like, kind of like a incensey crystal shop vibe. That's how I describe it. It's so like, I don't know, it's that kind of vibe. Like anybody who would love incense and loves crystals and that kind of thing, I feel like would smell like this. Does that make sense? It's just so incredibly delicious, and it's a really lovely texture as well. Like it's not overly thick or thin, it's a really nice medium, and it sinks into the skin really, really well as well, so you're not left with that horrible greasy like buttery texture. It's just so milky and amazing, and it just smells so good. It has got an earthy undertone, which a lot of you guys are probably thinking like, Melody, why do you like that smell? Like if it smells like a garden, you know me, it's a no-go zone. But this has so many layers to it that it just works. It's so good. It's heaven, honestly. So yum. Lush also sent me an email with kind of descriptions on each of the products and how they would describe it, so I thought I would read you through those as well. So this one says, this is a body lotion with well-being benefits. The ingredients boost meditation, contemplation and reflection. Inspired by Kensington High Street, London in the 1960s and 70s, you can use this lotion when you need some straightforward softness with oh, that's a long word, aromatherapeutic properties. We got through that somehow. I would completely agree. It smells incredible. It does smell incensey, meditation-y. It smells so good. And the cost of this pot, I'm just pulling it up on my phone, is £18. So it is a relatively pricey lotion, but I think for somebody who loves this sort of smell, completely worth it. It's so good, and I'm so excited to have that. So that is the first item. So if you love that, you'll be very pleased to know it's back. The next product which has made a return is a product which I used to be absolutely obsessed with when I worked for Lush, and when I knew this was getting discontinued, I was heartbroken. The only reason I kind of got over the heartbreak was because they did release something very similar, which I managed to fall in love with just as much. But this is the King of Skin body butter. Now, if you have watched me for a long time, you would have seen me mention this in many a video. I used to be obsessed with these. They are so delicious, so incredible. So essentially this is a solid body butter that you use in the shower, in the bath, and you rub it directly onto the skin, and then you just rinse it off, kind of like a body conditioner but a solid kind of bar version, I suppose. It hasn't got a very strong, overpowering fragrance to it. It's a really nice kind of smell that you could mix with any shower gel and it wouldn't be in your face, if you know what I mean. It smells really good. But ingredients wise, I will just pull them up. So we have got cocoa butter, shea butter, bananas, oat milk, avocado, coconut oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, tangerine oil, and rose absolute. But it doesn't have a very distinctive smell of any of those. It's kind of really subtle and really just gentle, which I really like. Price wise for the King of Skin body butter, it is £9, which again, in my opinion, I think is a really reasonable price. I can't quite remember how much a scrubby was, but I think they're very similar in price, so it's just so good. It's a really nice alternative, especially if you don't like the kind of coconut shavings in scrubby. If you want something completely smooth and a bit more gentle, this would work really well. It just smells so nostalgic. I can't get over the smell. It literally just reminds me of when I used to work there, and I absolutely love it. So 10 out of 10 for me. I'm a real big fan of the King of Skin. And in terms of how Lush described the product, they have said, welcome back to this beautiful buttery bar. Treat your skin like royalty, a long time core range product. It's back after a little break. King of Skin body butter is solid, packaging free, naturally self-preserving, and vegan. So that is how they describe it. And it's just so, it's a simple product, but it's just so good, if that makes sense. Like, I just think it's so, can I say it's so many times? It's just so underrated. You guys need to try this if you want a really nice, luxurious, skin softening product for in the shower. It's so good. Oh, I just absolutely love it. So that is King of Skin. Again, I'm so excited about that one. And the last product which has been released for the Lush Fan Faves is a shower gel, which you guys know me. You guys seem to know me better than I know myself, and as soon as you see this shower gel, you're gonna think, you're not gonna like that. And I feel like I am a little bit nervous to smell it because normal Melody would run very far away from this product. However, I am so excited to smell it to see whether my senses have changed, whether my kind of love and hate of certain senses have changed, if you know what I mean. So the last item for the fan favourites which has been released is the grass shower gel. Now, you guys know me, anything that smells like a garden, it's a no-go zone. Like, I am just not into garden smells, and I feel like grass shower gel is just pure garden in a bottle, but I'm still really excited to smell it and I'm just looking forward to it. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got fresh wheatgrass juice, that's a hard thing to say, wheatgrass juice, sandalwood oil, bergamot oil, neroli oil, sea salt. So it is full of really kind of earthy smells, so I am a little bit nervous. Before I give this one a smell, I will read how Lush describe it. So they have said, anyone who says that the smell of freshly cut grass is their favourite scent should be all over this shower gel, an instant mood booster that's taken a little holiday from Lush's shop floors but is back due to popular demand. And I'm so excited and scared to smell this, so I feel like I need to give it a go. But before I do, obviously it's a really beautiful colour. It is really dark green, but it does almost look black kind of when it's full. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's almost like stained glass window vibes. Do you know what I mean? It looks so good. Okay, I'm so excited to smell it, but I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Do you know what? And I'm not just saying this either because I feel like normal Melody would have hated this, but something about this smells really good and I'm not sure what it is, and I'm concerned because I don't like the smell of freshly cut grass. Like, I hate that kind of smell. Like, to me it just smells like damp and gross, but this smells good. I'm confused. Have my senses changed? Like, it does smell good. It's not my favourite scent of a shower gel. Like, it doesn't come anywhere near Plum Rain or Twilight, but it's just fresh. Like, in the summer, I can imagine this being a really beautiful shower gel. Like, if you like that freshly cut grass smell, but it doesn't even smell like that. It just smells really fresh, crisp, clean, like a really nice hot summer's day. This would be delicious. I'm a little bit shocked. Wow, okay. I'm really impressed. So that's good. I love it. So those are the 3 products which Lush have released for the Lush Fan Favourites. I I'm just in awe that Lush have sent me these products. I feel like this is something which I have been dreaming of for like 5 years, and I feel like it's just so bizarre that this has actually happened. So thank you guys at Lush so much for sending me these products. I am eternally grateful, and I'm just so thankful. So thank you guys so much, and I keep saying it, but thank you. Anyway, moving on, I would love to know what you guys think of these products. Have you guys used these before? Are you going to be purchasing any of them? I would love to know, and I'd love to know your thoughts down below. And that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I would love to hit 11,000 this year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.